Florida pool owners. Every year, thousands of you fight the same battles. Green water after storms, disappearing chlorine, mystery stains, cloudy water that won't clear, pumps that groan at the worst possible time, and pool stores that send you home with a bag of chemicals and more questions than answers. But what if everything you needed to keep your pool crystal clear, storm-ready, and safe lived in one simple system? Introducing the No-Guesswork Pool Handbook from Coastal Chemical Inc., the first Florida-specific pool care guide built from more than 40 years of real-world experience keeping over 10,000-plus Florida pools crystal clear. As the book explains in the introduction, your pool is either adding 25,000, 50,000 PLARs to your home's value, or silently draining money through chemical waste, equipment damage, and emergency repairs. The difference isn't luck. It's knowing the Florida way to care for a pool, something nobody teaches until now. This handbook was written because Florida homeowners kept asking the same questions. Why is my pool green again? Why won't my chlorine hold? Why does every rainstorm ruin my water? How do I stop algae forever? How do I know when a pump noise is serious? Inside these pages, you'll find the real answers, not theory, not generic YouTube advice, but proven, field-tested methods Coastal Chemical Inc. has refined since 1982. Chapter 1 makes something very clear. Florida pools are different. Our UV index can burn through chlorine in 2 hours. Heat accelerates algae growth. Storms dilute chemicals and crash pH. Humidity corrodes metal components. Rain introduces contaminants that northern guides never talk about. And once you understand this environment, pool care becomes predictable instead of chaotic. In Chapter 2, John DeSimone reveals the Big Three, the water chemistry triangle that controls everything. pH, the referee alkalinity, the stabilizer chlorine, the bodyguard. For years, homeowners have been taught random fixes. But when you follow the simple sequence in this book, alkalinity, pH, chlorine, your water stops fighting you and starts working with you. Even better, the handbook shows exactly how Florida sun, storms, heat, and rainfall distort these numbers, and how to correct them every time. In Chapter 3, you'll learn the famous 30-minute weekly ritual Coastal Chemical Techs have used on 10,000-plus pools throughout Palm Beach County. It replaces overwhelm with clarity. Monday, visual inspection. Wednesday, chemistry check and adjustment. Saturday, physical cleaning plus circulation boost. This routine alone prevents 95% of algae blooms, cloudy water episodes, and equipment failures. In Chapter 4, the handbook walks you through Florida's 4 pool seasons: maximum heat, maximum UV, maximum algae pressure, YU, storm prep checklists, and recovery strategies. Reduced runtime without letting algae sneak back pollen, organics, and your reset routine. These seasonal steps alone can save homeowners thousands in avoidable cleanups. Chapter 5 is the lifesaver. The moment your water turns green, cloudy, or your pump starts hissing or gurgling. This chapter shows the exact steps to fix it fast. Green water, cloudy haze, low circulation, pump grinding, air bubbles and jets. The handbook gives you step-by-step solutions used by real pool pros for pennies on the dollar compared to emergency service calls. Chapter 6 reveals the habit that separates confident pool owners from frustrated ones. A 10-minute daily check that catches problems in their earliest stages. It's simple. Look, listen, test, adjust. This is how you prevent $300 algae treatments and $600 pump replacements. Chapter 8 breaks down equipment care in plain English. No engineering degree required. You'll learn when to clean each filter type, how to prevent pump motor burnout, how to maintain your automatic cleaner, when a motor can be repaired, and when it's time to replace it. These insights extend equipment life 5+ years longer on average. In Chapter 9, you'll learn the red flags that mean it's time to call a professional, not to upsell you, but to plus the exact questions to ask so you never get talked into unnecessary repairs. And finally, Chapter 10 shows you how to create a pool calendar that runs itself. Weekly tasks, monthly tasks, seasonal tasks, vacation checklists. Everything organized so your pool stays perfect, even when life gets busy. This isn't a coffee table book. It's the playbook Florida pool owners have needed for decades. If you're tired of guessing, tired of green water, tired of wasting money on chemicals that don't work, then claim your copy of the No-Guesswork Pool Handbook today. Because a crystal clear pool isn't a luxury, it's a system. And now that system is finally in your hands.